Do you ever scroll through your phone and dream of making money online, but then get overwhelmed, thinking it's only for coders, designers, or expert freelancers? What if I told you that's a myth? It's time to debunk that idea completely. Because earning online doesn't have to be complicated at all. In fact, with microjobs, it can be incredibly simple. Welcome to Taskey.pro, a platform designed to connect people just like you with short, straightforward digital tasks. These are jobs that anyone can complete using basic skills and their spare time. The only two things you really need to succeed are your time and your basic digital skills. Ready to discover just how easy it is? Stick around as we explore the tasks, the process, and the security that Taskey offers. So, what exactly are microjobs? Think of them as small bite-sized tasks that, when combined, contribute to a much larger project, like training an AI or conducting market research. They are quick to start and even quicker to finish. The key advantage here is that unlike traditional freelancing, microjobs require zero prior experience and absolutely no long-term commitment. You are in complete control. Let's dive into the kind of tasks you can find on Taskey.pro. First up, we have quick data checking. This could be as simple as verifying information, identifying small errors in a list, or categorizing data. It's easy because it just requires your attention to detail, not any technical knowledge. Next, there's simple research. This involves gathering small pieces of information on specific topics, like finding a company's website address or looking up details about a product. If you know how to do a basic web search, you have all the skills you need for this. Then we have social media tasks. Now this is crucial. We're talking about genuine engagement and feedback, not buying likes or followers. For example, you might be asked to provide honest feedback on a new video, test a new app feature, or share your real opinion on a post. This is all about gathering legitimate user input for research purposes, making it a safe and ethical way to contribute. Finally, there's short content writing. Don't worry, you don't need to be a novelist. This usually involves writing brief descriptions, product captions, or simple 2 to 3 line reviews. All it takes is basic language skills and a little bit of your natural creativity. Now let's talk about why Taskey.pro is such a game changer. The first major benefit is flexibility and control. You can work whenever you want, whether it is for 10 minutes during your coffee break or for an hour after dinner. There's no fixed schedule. You can work from home, a cafe, or even while commuting. Second, the platform is built for clarity and simplicity. It's incredibly user-friendly, and every task comes with clear, concise instructions. You won't find any complex bidding wars or long drawn-out approval processes here. It's designed to get you working and earning as quickly as possible. And most importantly, let's discuss valid and ethical earnings. I want to be very clear with this disclaimer. These are legitimate jobs. Taskey.pro strictly prohibits and does not facilitate any illegal or fraudulent activities. We believe only in valid, honest earning. All your income is based on verified task completion, ensuring a fair and transparent system for everyone. So, how do you get started? It's a simple 3-step process. Step 1 is to sign up and get verified. It's a straightforward process, and I recommend creating a complete profile to get matched with the best possible tasks for you. Step 2 is to browse and select your tasks. You can easily navigate the task list. If you're new, I suggest starting with the simplest, highest rated tasks to get a feel for the platform and build up your rating. Step 3. Complete the task and earn. Once you submit your work, there's a quick verification process. You can track all your earnings right there in your user dashboard. To really succeed, here are a few pro tips. Consistency is key. Completing several small tasks regularly is much more effective than waiting around for one big project. Also, focus on quality over speed. Make sure your submissions are 100% accurate. High-quality work leads to better ratings and gives you access to more and higher-paying tasks down the line. Finally, learn and adapt. The world of digital tasks is always evolving, so be ready to learn new, simple routines as they become available. To recap, earning an income online is accessible to everyone, regardless of your background or experience. Taskey.pro provides the perfect entry point. Stop letting the idea of advanced freelancing intimidate you. Your spare time and the basic skills you already have are all you need to start. Ready to turn that spare time into real cash today? Click the link in the description to join Taskey.pro and discover just how easy online income can be. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips.